Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get a dewy summertime face. Does that make sense? I don't really have time to film an intro, so this is my intro. So let me just show you what I'm talking about and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with primer. We're going to be doing a luminous foundation face look today. Very summertime, spring, and I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. I love this. I love it. It is so good. I just pump it on my hands and rub it all over. And it also kind of gives you like that airbrush finish look. It's so good. For foundations, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Pro Glow, and I'm going to be mixing shades 202 Creamy Natural and 204 Natural Buff because I am in between both of these. Yeah, so just take some of that on your hand. If they have your shade, you go girl, because they ain't got mine. I'm just going to add just a little bit of the Natural Buff and mix them together in the back of my hand and then dot them all over my face. And you don't really need a mirror to do this because you're just basically getting all off your hand. Then I'm going to take my Morphe M439 brush and blend it out. I like the way that this foundation applies with a brush much better than how it applies with a blender. Okay, then I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And under my eyes I used Fair Beige. And on my chin I'm going to use Light Medium. And then take my L'Oreal sponge and blend it out. To set my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Compact Powder in the shade Warm Beige. And start with my under eyes. Now this powder is not, to me, it does not give you a matte finish. It kind of gives me like a satin finish. And I know that's not dewy, but I'm going to show you how we get there. I know, my hair is a mess. Okay, for blush, we're going to use the Maybelline Fit Me blush in Coral. And I don't really need... This blush is good because it's got like a nice sheen to it. It doesn't, like it's kind of hard to get too much. So, you know, you kind of don't always have to do it with a mirror. And highlighter, y'all all know highlighter is my favorite part. So we're going to do two kinds of highlighting today. We're going to be using this Milani Make It Last Radiant Setting Powder. And let me tell y'all, it's good. Like you see, you can see in the cap, it has like a kind of a shimmer to it, but it's not bad unless you put too much. So what I just do is, have some of my cap here, I dip it in there, and I will work it over, try to work all that over 1/2 side of my face. Now I'll dip it again and do, oh, I didn't get it in there, and do the other side. And then my forehead. See? Very little look. And it gives you like a nice glow, but it doesn't look like you have glitter all over your face. Does that make sense? I think so. Yeah. It gives you like a really nice look. And I mean, it's from the drugstore, so you should go try it, buy it. And then for your regular highlighter, put this where I can see. Okay. We're going to use our Wet n Wild Precious Petals. And you just highlight wherever you want to. I do my cheekbones, my chin, Cupid's bow, and then forehead. And then I take whatever's left on my brush and I run it in the center of my forehead. And my nose when I was doing my nose. Yeah. Okay, so that is it for the face. And I zoomed y'all in so you can kind of see you have that really natural, healthy glow to your skin. And that's perfect for summertime. Okay, I'm going to finish off my face and I'll be right back and have some really, really exciting news for y'all. I'm so excited to share. Okay. And this is the final look. For my eyes, I used my new BoxyCharm Pure Cosmetics palette. Y'all. I mean, yeah. I don't think I have to say anything about that. But yeah, so I love this look, and a lot of times I don't even use this with eyeshadow. I think I might have worn it with eyeshadow maybe like a handful of times. I usually just tightline my eyes with eyeliner, throw on some mascara, some lipstick, and I'm out the door. But getting the new palette in, I had to play with it. Anyway, so, okay. So, I am actually doing my first ever giveaway. And let me zoom you guys out. So, y'all can see. So, I have a few makeup items in here, and I also have some on the way. We've got some Wet n Wild highlighter, some South Main eye gel, some Naked Cosmetics, some Bella Pierce, some L'Oreal, even some from Pretty Vulgar. And I will be giving all this stuff plus some more things away to one lucky winner. And my son is home. Stetson! And I will be posting that on Instagram, and that will all be soon to come as soon as I get all that in. So make sure you subscribe to hear about my giveaway. You have to follow me on Instagram. All the rules will be posted in the Instagram post with the picture of the makeup. But yeah, I hope you guys really like this tutorial. I love it. I love summer, spring, all that stuff. And I think that's it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.